Yo guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we will be going to make a 5000 mAh portable power bank with two 5 volt 1 ampere outputs. Now that capacity doesn't sound that good, but it was because my goal was to make it portable, and for those cases when my Xiaomi portable power bank fails, like when I have to like that I cannot hold this thing for too long when I'm like shooting outside and when I am playing games like PUBG Mobile. It has also a built-in flashlight, charging as well as battery indicators, battery over discharge, over voltage and short circuit protection. So let's get started. First, to make this power bank, we need two 18650 2500 mAh lithium-ion batteries. These ones here have been taken out from an old laptop battery, but you can also buy these from any electronics or hobby store. Links in the description below. Then we need TP4056 lithium-ion charging module with built-in protection circuit to charge the batteries. Now we also need two 3 volt to 5 volt 1 ampere boost converters with USB output. We also need a couple of 1 watt white LEDs and a switch. You might also want to get yourself a 3 ohm resistor for the LEDs. Links for everything in the description below. Now first of all, we will be designing the case for the power bank. We designed ours on SketchUp and then took out the printout of the parts on an A4 page, stuck it to a piece of MDF and cut it out. Link for the PDF of this file in the description below. You can use a 3D printer or a CNC machine to also make a case. The case was designed with compactness in mind, so it can be carried around easily. We initially thought that this power bank should have 3 lithium cells, but then we had to increase the length of the case by about 2 centimeters, which made it quite bulky as well as hard to carry in hand, especially while using as a flashlight. Now we will be hot gluing all the components in the case. First, hot glue the cells, then hot glue the charging board as well as the boost converters, then the LEDs, and at last the switch. After hot gluing everything, it's time to wire everything up. The circuit is pretty simple and straightforward. First, connect the output of the TP4056 module to boost converters. Then connect the battery plus and battery minus to the batteries, which are connected in parallel. Please make sure before connecting the batteries in parallel that they are charged to the same voltage. This stops the possibility of one battery discharging to charge the other and heating up. And also check carefully that you connect the positive of the battery only to B plus and negative to B minus, and not vice versa, as I did with another charging module which fried the circuit and made the board pretty much useless. Then connect the LEDs in parallel. Connect the switch to the positive of the LEDs and then connect the other wire in the switch to the positive output from the charging module. Connect the negative wire of the LEDs to the negative output of the charging module. And there I fried the LEDs. I underestimated current and it shoved in my face. Nevertheless, I had to wait for a day as basically I was shooting at night for the replacement LEDs, and there you go. Then I redesigned the circuit, which is this. Then I soldered the LEDs like this with a 3 ohm resistor, which I made using 3 2 ohm resistors, gave it a go and it works perfectly. This pretty much completes the basic circuit. The charging indicator LEDs then can be connected to the charging module. Now you can try to check if everything is working or not, and if it is, then close the case with some hot glue. If anything is not working, check the wire connections and also touch the batteries to make sure they are not heating up. If they are, then you might need to disconnect those and use another batteries. If you have any problem, then you can shoot us with them in the comment section below. I pretty much basically prototype and fry everything, so you don't have to, and if something happened, I'm there to help. Once everything was done, I decided to cover the case with some fabric to enhance its appeal as well as durability. And after a little finishing touches here and there, it was done. This thing can charge my headphones in around a couple hours, and it can charge my phone in about 3 hours. Now, considering it does not support fast charging and is so small, it is a pretty reputable time. For emergency cases, when you just need to have that extra 1 hour for gaming, it comes very handy. This wraps up the video, guys. You can check our website for more projects. Make sure to hit that notification bell, obviously after subscribing, and thanks for watching.